time. Here we go. 2-box personal break for Andy. He wanted box 353 and 250. Personal, fresh case of platinum. No boxes have been opened from it. Good luck, Andy. This is my favorite product to open. Andy, you still have that card here. I think it's Hellebeck Trax Auto, isn't it? Sitting here in the local box. What's the card for Andy that's still there? Jonathan Taves, retro for the Blackhawks. Sorry? Yeah. The Hellebeck Trax Auto is still here. Oh.
Anything else with this?
Jalen Larkin, retro rookie for the Detroit Red Wings, and a Brendan Gallagher blue auto and a Shinkarik rookie on the back there. Not a bad start, not a bad start. Grant Fuhr retro for Nick Ritchie, Anaheim Ducks. Yeah, I know you'll keep the Gallagher. Rainbow Retro, Ryan Getzlaf, and a rookie of Stan Bennett. It's my favorite product. 2 weeks, guys, it comes out. Save your money. I'm going to be posting the break soon. And there will be a discount if you pay early. Nazem Kadri tracks and an Andrew Kopp rookie. You buy spots in the break or the pick your team. I'll have a pick your team master. I'll have a pick your team inner and a pick your team random inner to start off with. Those will be the 3 breaks to start that night. Team logos, Taylor Hall. If we pre-fill a few of them, I'll post more. I got 6 cases, I think, coming in. Bobby Ryan retro and a Kevin Fiala rookie. So you'll save 5% off your spots if you pay early. Black Ice numbered 89 of 99. Mark Stone and a Matt Pumple rookie. How much is case? They will be 1979 or 179 of 199 Patrick Hornquist White Ice. The case will be $17.60, $110 a box. Kyle Bond retro rookie and a Mike Condon rookie. Oh, I'm getting in 6 cases for sure, probably more. Nikolai Goldobin, San Jose Sharks. I thought you meant how much is a case. Joel Pavelski, San Jose Sharks, number to 149, 63 of 149. Gold retro, oops. Nick Shore and Chandler Stevenson rookies as well. Come on, guys, 19 left in that case break. Let's get it filled up. Oh, Nick Cousins auto, second auto of the box for the Philadelphia Flyers. Superstars Donnie Gaudreau and a Tyler Lear rookie. Rainbow for the Jonathan Taves and a rookie of Robbie Fabry. Rainbow Matt Duchene. Rainbow Braden Shen and an Adam Pelech rookie. Adam Pelech Rainbow rookie and a Ben Hutton rookie. Last pack of the break, or not of this box one. Ryan Hartman retro rookie and a Jack Eichel rookie for the Buffalo Sabres. Alright, that was box one. Box two, he wanted number 250. Let's get the guy on the cover. Crosby auto. Bobby Orr retro for the Boston Bruins. Daniel Sprong and a Brock McGinn rookie. Red Rainbow Retro for the Buffalo Sabres, Tyler Ennis. Numbered 08 of 15. Nice low number parallel there. White Ice rookie, Hunter Shinkaruk, numbered 070 of 199. And a Gustavs Olsson rookie for the Wild. Blue Cubes rookie, Colton Parayko, numbered 275, 61 of 75. And a Chandler Stevenson. There you go, Betsy. There he is. Nice hit there for Blue Cubes rookie. Oh, and Mr. Poirier retro rookie, Blue Rainbow auto for the Flames, and a T.S. Janmark Blue Poirier auto. Hopefully get a bonus. Hopefully there's a bonus auto. Wild retro, Devin Dubnyk. Detroit Red Wings Yzerman retro and a Shane Prince rookie. Claude Giroux retro and a Dylan Larkin rookie. Marcus Naslund retro for the Canucks. Brandon Gauntz rookie for the Canucks. PK Subban retro. Team logos, Eric Stahl and a Kevin Fiala rookie. Rainbow, Mark Giordano and a Matt Pumple rookie. Kari Lettinen rainbow and Emile Poirier rookie. There he is again. Just need McCann now. Or McCant. Johnny Gaudreau rainbow for the Flames. And there's McCann on the back. Rainbow rookie Tyler Lear and a Jared McCann regular rookie. 5 packs left. Is there another auto? Patrick Waugh rainbow retro. Tracks Jonathan Bernier, Jack Eichel, and Hunter Shinkarik rookies. Steven Stamkos trucks. 2 packs left. Superstars Wayne Gretzky. And a Nick Ritchie rookie. Last pack. One more auto. One more auto. Auto. No luck. Erik Karlsson. Team logos for the Sens. Thank you very much, Andy, for your purchases. Come pick that up when you can. Thanks, bud.